The 5 stories that teachers teach better than lectures today.
Think you don't need to do anything this year? They saw someone get food without effort. And then luck found them too. So they made a plan to wait. They waited and waited and waited. But the girl chose a different path. After seasons, luck didn't come twice.
Yay, more tomatoes! Carrots next.
But effort grew into results.
If we only wait for luck, we stay hungry. If we grow things, we always have food later.
This year, don't wait for luck. Grow your own. When you say no rush, is it really no rush or just future use problem? Classic move. Everything looks fine until it doesn't. Someone always sees the problem early. Someone else always says it later. Same weather forecast. 2 very different plans. Funny how later always turns into now. This is the cost of procrastination. Preparation doesn't stop storms. It stops disasters. Like saving a little, packing early, reviewing homework daily. Not the night before the exam.
Make preparations for future difficulties or needs.
In the new year, let's bravely overcome challenges.
No more screen time! I said no more!
Long ago, a man sold a spear that could pierce anything and a shield that could block everything.
What happens if you use your spear on your shield?
New Year resolution. No iPad on weekdays. 5 minutes later, reality. Our shield meets our spear. Kids don't copy your words. They copy your Wi-Fi behavior.
If I say one thing but do another, who's really teaching who? Maybe the real unbreakable shield is what we do, not what we say.
New year, same family, better habits. Ever feel like you did nothing wrong but still got misunderstood? She only stopped to tie her shoe, but anyone passing by would think she broke the melons. Later, under a plum tree, she lifted her hat slightly. Now it really looks like she took the plum. Hey, looking guilty isn't the same as being guilty. Where you are can change how people understand you. Kids don't always know how things look to others.
I thought if it looked okay to me, it was okay. Now I know I need to be careful when things can be misunderstood.
Ever wondered why we turn the entire world red once a year and start exploding things? Nien lived in the sea. Big horns, giant paws, teeth like kitchen knives but slightly chubby. Every year, villagers locked their doors and hid in the mountains. Brave strategy. Very cardio-based. This time a wise old man arrived. Instead of running, everyone prepared. Bright lights. Red decorations. Turns out Nien hated loud noises, bright lights. And especially red.
We stayed up late together. We had dinner with family, we lit fireworks, we visited neighbors. Not because we liked noise, but because we weren't afraid anymore.
Maybe your monster isn't from the sea. Maybe it's fear. Delay. I'll start next week. The new year isn't about scaring monsters away. It's about becoming brave enough to face them. A coloring page a day keeps boring away. Subscribe for more family wisdom. Check the bio.